Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Kawasaki Z1000SX. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this Kawasaki. It is HPI cleared. It's also data tagged. It does have an alarm with it, and it also comes with a spare key. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you. It is in a nice metallic Kawasaki green. It's got the extended shield on the front there. Keep you safe from the wind. Get yourself tucked behind that. So let's get a good look at the condition. It has got the custom levers on there. Easy to adjust the reach on them. Let's get a look at the condition of the plastics. You can see it's got the frame protectors there. Okay, look down as low as I can. Let's get a look at the tank. The tank is black. Nice gloss black. With the protectors on there as well. It's got the nice stitching on the seat there. The Z1000SX. Let's get a look down this side. You'll see it's got the Leo vent exhaust on. The carbon can. Let's see if we can get a good look at the chain and sprocket, which we can. You can also see the paddock stand bob in there. And it's also got a Kawasaki top box on it, matching colours with the backrest for the passenger. Get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Have a look over the top of the box as well. Move around the back. Get a good look at it from the back. Let's move over to this right hand side. Got a little scuff on the box there. Get a look in there at the rear shock. It's got an Optimate lead fitted there as well. Keep the battery optimised. If you've got yourself an Optimate, just plug it in when you're leaving it stored. And we'll finish up at the front. Right hand side at this front wheel. What we'll do now, we'll go and take a close look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it as well. Right, let's take a look up at the controls. So you've got the custom levers on there with the easy adjust on there, and your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and your starter. And then we'll move over to the other side. As you'll see, it's got Oxford heated grips on there. You've got your clutch again, easy adjust on there. Lights, indicators, horn, hazards. As you can see, it has got an alarm. So I'll turn that off. Let's flick the ignition on and get the mileage off it. You can see it's done 18,487 miles. Right, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see close up, we can do that and send them over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.